Yo, what's up with it? It's your boy Levon the Don, and here we go again, back at it again. Today we're gonna be making these hats, man. I got these from Dollar Tree. Only cost $1. You dig? That's back when it was $1. Now it's $1.25. Got your Cricut mini press. I got this jump for $50. The link gonna be in the description below. And we got the vinyl, leftover vinyl. I actually did this off screen. I printed and made a design off screen, but I'm just showing you guys how you use the mini press today. You see, I'm using the lint brush to get off all this lint, man, because you know black always attract lint, man. So get that nice and clean. Like it wasn't even working. I hate these little cheap little lint brushes, but I'm gonna start with this Levon right here. Y'all like this? That's the infamous Levon hat right here. That's my brand, Levon. I love it. Y'all can tell me where I got the Levon from. I got something nice for somebody. And you can't be one of my brothers. I'm sorry, y'all can't get nothing. But if y'all a new subscriber or something, y'all can tell me where I got my brand name from. I'll send y'all a shirt or something. You dig? But I ain't gonna talk this whole video. I'm gonna get right to it. Shout out to my boy Jaye Johnson on the beat for this instrumental, man. Make sure y'all go over there to his page and check it out. It's Jaye Johnson. He got them instrumentals for you. You dig? So if you guys new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the update button because we do got more looks for you guys. We got vlogs and everything coming up. We got giveaways. We got just a little bit of everything. Just stay tuned, man. Hit that like button. Hit that share button. I'm gonna apologize to y'all. See, I got this one did right. I actually added more to the hats. I'm gonna show y'all at the end. I was doing this one, and the camera went off, so I had to do it off screen, y'all. But here's the finished look. I added some patches and things to it. So how y'all think I did, man? Easy to do it yourself hats. You dig? I wanna thank you guys for watching. Hit that like button. Once again, subscribe to the channel for updates. And, man, we got more coming for you guys. Thanks for watching, Levon. We out.